Doing groceries, preparing food, cleaning up after takes up a substantial part of our time. That is why you enjoy a meal replacement regularly. It is quick, convenient, and healthy. Above all, it gives you energy to keep you going for a long time. However, all the meal replacements you try taste of oats. Not anymore. Powder Matter offers you not only a balanced meal, but also a varied meal replacement. Our meals are based on buckwheat, amaranth, and quinoa as the main carbohydrate source. These super seeds are excellent sources for carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and phytonutrients. Only complex carbohydrates, high in fibers, and omega-3 fatty acids, with 30 grams of protein per serving. Powder Matter, balanced and varied meal replacement.